Hello students, this is class 6 physics video of chapter number 4, that is force. As you all know that we have already done that what is force and the effects of force, how the state of change, how the state of our bodies get changed. We have done all these things and then also done the units of force, right? Today we will start with contact forces, and today I came with a new method that I will start reading the chapter line to line. If you find that it is more effective than a lecture method, then you can tell me. I will work according to that, right? Okay, contact forces. As its name shows, beta, contact means when anything comes in contact with other one, right? Like as you have contact numbers in your phone, what it means we can contact with our other one, right, through that numbers. So the same is here. Forces that two bodies in contact apply on each other. Force that apply on other body when both the bodies come in contact with each other are called contact forces. We apply contact forces when we push, pull or lift things around us, right? When we push something, किसी चीज़ को push करना, then pull something, और किसी चीज़ को lift करना, उठाना उसको, at that time we apply contact forces. Similarly, contact forces act when a bullock pulls a cart. ठीक है, जब कोई बुल जो है कार्ट को पुल करता है, और एन एलिफेंट ब्रेक्स द ब्रांच ऑफ अ ट्री विद इट्स ट्रंक. When elephant break branches of tree with its trunk, right? At that time what actually happened? Elephant come in contact with branches, bullock come in contact with the cart. So when we sit on a chair or lie in bed, and the weight of body presses down on the chair or bed. When we sit on chair or bed, our weight of body, weight of the body do at that time? It presses the chair or bed at that time. So what it is? It's a contact forces, right? This too is a contact force. Sometimes we apply a contact force on something without touching it directly. He said sometimes it happens that we are applying contact force but we are not actually touching it. So how it can be contact force? Let's read it. For example, we can attach a string to a toy car. Here he has applied a string or thread to a toy car, and he is like moving the car with the help of that string or thread. So it's a you can say indirectly it's a contact force. Actually your hand is in contact with the string and string is in contact with the car, so it's also a contact force. We apply a force on the string and the string applies a force on the car. This type of contact force applied by a string, wire or thin rod is called tension, right beta? This type of force that is applied by a string, thin rod or by a wire, this type of force is also called tension. We also call this type of force is tension. Tension acts along a rope from which a bucket hang in a bell. He said tension जो है वो अप्लाई होती है, एक्ट करती है along the rope. जिस साइड को रोप को आप फोर्स लगा रहे हो उसके along जो है वो अप्लाई होती है. Which a bucket hangs in a bell, or wire from which a lamp hangs, or the rope that is pulled by two teams in a tug of war, right? जैसे tug of war होता है, in that what happened, there are two teams in the tug of war and they are stretching it toward each other, right? So at that time the force acts on the rope is called tension. However, all forces are not contact force. ठीक है, all forces are not contact forces. We have actually two type of forces. One is contact forces that we have already read. Second is non-contact forces. Non-contact forces, as its name shows, in the forces in which there is not any contact with the bodies. If two bodies are applying force on each other but they don't have any contact with each other, are called non-contact forces. Okay, he said for example a leaf falling from a tree moving downward. ठीक है, अभी लीव जो है that is falling from a tree, leaf get detached from the tree and moves toward the earth. There is no any contact force between earth and leaf. What actually happened? It's not a contact force, but leaf is going toward the earth, so it's a non-contact force. What kind of non-contact force? As you all know that earth have some attracting power with it. It attracts the things toward it. If anything we bounce, or for example if a ball we are bouncing in the upper direction, it will come back downward toward the earth. So why it is happening? By always apple comes toward the earth. By when the mango get detached from the tree, why it comes toward the earth? Because earth have a attractive force that is called gravitational force. This pull acts even through the leaf is not in contact with the earth. There are other such forces that act between bodies that are not in contact, but we will not discuss those in this chapter. So these kind of forces are called non-contact forces, right? Thank you, beta.